Guys, welcome to my space once again. So today we'll be looking at something interesting from graphic design. Alright, so what we'll be looking at is how to remove a background from a stock picture or any picture at all. Okay, so what we'll need to do is to open your web browser, either Opera Mini, Google or Chrome, any of them. So we'll be using Chrome. What do? Open Chrome and then search remove.bg, because I've been using it more often, so it's actually showing over here. But as a new person, you have to actually type it remove.bg. Alright, so remove.bg, then you will search. So this is the interface of the website. Just tap on here. Alright, just tap on upload pictures. Okay, just tap on here. Alright, and then it will take you to your gallery. Alright, so let me look for a stock picture so that we remove the background of it. Okay, let me look for a stock picture. I have so many of them, but yeah. Okay, so something like this, it's let's use something like this. Okay, it's quite interesting. So we want to remove the background of this YouTube logo. So you see, yes, the background has been removed. Alright, so what do you have to do? Just tap on download and then it will be downloaded for you, because it's quite transparent, so you see the picture won't be showing. Well, let's look for another picture and then see. If you want to add another picture, just tap here. Alright, and then it will take you back to your gallery again. Okay, to remove any picture you want to get the background out of it. Okay, let's try something like this. So just wait patiently for it to load. You see, very nice, the background has been removed. Alright, so just tap on download to download for free. So thank you guys for watching the game. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet once again.